Good morning guys. Hello. How are you? How's everything going? Oh, I'm getting ready for the hurricane. It looks massive. It looks huge. It's kind of scary. Here in Miami, it's not gonna be like a big deal, but I know up north, in Orlando, Tampa, it's bad. People are freaking out there with reasons. Okay, so do we have any data today? I think we do. Let's see. No, Miami hasn't. No, Miami's safe. It's a little bit windy. It's not even raining right now, but it's safe here. Wednesday. Today's Wednesday, right? I don't even know. Yeah, today's Wednesday. We have sales inventory at 10, and then we have one Fed speaking at 10:30, and then in the afternoon. Oh, we have FOMC minutes at 2. Today and tomorrow, we have a bunch of stuff today, tomorrow, and Friday. Mostly today and tomorrow. But tomorrow is mostly pre-market. But okay, so for today at 10 and 10:30, we need to be careful. Okay. Nvidia, guys, if you wanna enter Nvidia, this is your entry right now. Same thing with Meta. Check out my watch list for today on my Discord. You have Meta and Nvidia. Where do you want to have it to enter? Especially Nvidia. Meta, it needs to show a little bit more hold here, but Nvidia is looking good. I'm not entering Nvidia because I already in Nvidia. But yeah. You're done trading? Awesome, you're done pretty early. Okay, so yeah, the Q is holding 488, which is an important level. If you cannot hold 488, the next one, let me see something. 486.50. In fact, if the Q can hold the VWAP, I think it could be a good play to the upside. Yeah, I chart SPY and the Q to trade futures. Damn, what happened with AMD? Also, AMD, this is your entry if you want to trade AMD. $170, $169 into the level you want to see holding. I don't know. It's too early to know that. It's too early to know if I'm gonna hold anything for tomorrow. Everything depends how we close today, how we move today. It's too early for that. So you need to make your decision on that, not wait for me. It's up to you if you want to hold anything or not. Remember, that's your money, not mine. I like this Apple hold. Again, I have Apple chart on my watch list today. Go check it out. Why I'm liking Apple here. The Q's looking weak, but SPY is holding very good. Ooh, what about the Intel move yesterday? I'm getting Apple, guys. Getting Apple weekly. Let's see. 225 in the money. My stop loss is gonna be today's low. Okay, so we have again SPY very close to all-time high. So again, for me, it's gonna be difficult to trade this. When we get closer to all-time high, the movement, the price action, it's a little bit complicated to trade. Okay, we're looking a little bit weak here, at least tech. I'm watching here 488 for the Q. Nvidia looks like a bear flag. Meta is looking pretty weak. Apple holding very good so far. CrowdStrike had an ugly reaction at 297.50. I don't like this daily candle. So far, we don't have much going on here. Okay, let's see if Nvidia can break the VWAP. That would be very bullish. And I want to see the Q really holding here. Meta is looking pretty weak. Apple is looking pretty good. Yeah, very choppy so far. Never heard of that company, to be honest. Ooh, Intel keeps going. That looks so beautiful. Who's on that swing trade with me? I took most of my profits on the weekly, so that way the weekly is completely free. But I'm still holding some runners on the weeklies, and I haven't touched the one for next year. But that one is looking pretty good. Nice move there. Nice move there. Watching Microsoft also. Again, because of what I posted today on my watch list. Same thing with Meta. Both pretty much looking the same. I like more Microsoft right now. But Meta, if it can hold here, it's an amazing risk to reward trade. Good risk to reward trade. I want to see Nvidia breaking the VWAP. Because so far it's looking like a bear flag. Okay, I'm going long. Wait. I missed my entry because of that. I wanted to enter it on that pullback here on the Q. Okay, I'm gonna enter there, and my stop loss is gonna be an ugly rejection of the VWAP. Okay, we're looking good so far. Okay, I'm selling one and moving my stop loss higher. I'm gonna sell the last one here at this high. Yeah, it got sold there. That was perfect. That was perfect. Perfect. Let's see how it's gonna react to 490. For the next upside move, I want to see it breaking 490.65. That was beautiful. That trade was with 9 APEX PA accounts. That was a perfect exit. Nvidia. Anyone on Nvidia? Anyone that got Nvidia on that 131 pullback? That was super nice. Like I said, I did not get into Nvidia because I already holding contracts for next week. Same thing with AMD. I'm still holding some contracts for next week. But AMD is looking kind of weak. So we'll see. Crown Stride is holding pretty good. Do I love that chart? Not really. But I took some profits yesterday. And let's see if we have that move toward 300. I took profits on the weeklies. I'm holding only like 2 runners on the weeklies. My full position is for next week's. Apple, I don't like that move on Apple. Okay, so we have the Q having a lot of trouble here. SPY just keeps grinding higher. Has a very clean uptrend here. Do I love these candlesticks? Not really. They're looking very weaky. Apple is starting to get kind of weak. Look at Microsoft. Microsoft, it's looking very good. Anyone got on Microsoft? Nice. Okay, I'm not gonna trade more with this Apex account. I think that trade was amazing. So the next one, it's gonna be with my funded futures. Nice move there. Nice breakout. Okay. Now let's see if I can find something to trade on my funded futures accounts. And then I'm gonna be done for today. I'm pretty happy with what I'm holding with options. Very happy with that trade that I took with futures. Yeah, let's see if we can find something else to trade. I like Meta. Meta's kind of tempting me here. Yes, you can copy trade on pretty much everything, every single prop firm. If they allow you to buy multiple accounts, you can copy trade. So far, right now, my funded futures and Tradefied are my favorite ones. Yeah, you can copy trade up to 3 funded accounts and up to 10 accounts in total. So you can have 3 funded accounts and then 7 evals. Yes, but not on Tradeovate. You need to use Ninja Trader. Nice breakout. If you can hold this high as support, wait a second, this high as support, that's the next scalp that we can do. Because it will be most likely, I would like to see this move toward this resistance here. So it's very like this. So yeah, you can use TradingView to trade with prop firms. Yes, Mike, that's what I said. Yeah, if you have 10 accounts, you can obviously you can ask for payouts on all 10 accounts. I'm watching Meta. If Meta can break the VWAP, I'm getting in. Microsoft looking beautiful. I like so many charts. The thing is, like, we have a lot of stuff coming up today and tomorrow. Please give me this pullback, please. I want to see this candle closing strong and the next one being red and giving me the pullback here. Apple waking up. Meta trying to break the VWAP. Microsoft looking pretty good. Beautiful bounce on AMD. Anyone got AMD out of the 170 level? That was so clean. TSM also looking pretty good if can break the VWAP. So pretty much everything looking the same. I'm gonna do it. I'm taking Meta. Let me see if I want it for this week. I think I'm gonna go both for this week. So on the first bounce, I can take profits. And then I looked for next week's to hold the rest of the week. I think Meta can go back to 600. Okay, I got 590 for this week and 600 for next week's. Okay, we're looking super bullish here. I'm not getting the pullback that I'm looking for. But Apple looking pretty good. Microsoft also have a lot of potential here. I think Microsoft can go back to 428, 427 with time. Also, it depends how data is gonna come up tomorrow and what happened with FOMC minutes today. If I don't get a pullback here, the next trade is gonna be a break of this high, this high here, this high here. So this high. Yep. And for SPY, it's pretty much all-time high. It's barely moving, but it's looking good. Like Apple, Meta, TSM, Nvidia, all looking pretty much the same. Microsoft, everything is looking pretty much the same. Damn. Okay. I see SPY and the Q moving, but I don't see anything else moving too much. Not like the Q. Okay, we're right at the next big level here. SPY is near all-time high, and we have the Q at this resistance here. I think if Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Meta keep looking so bullish, we might have a new all-time high here. Maybe. Look at this 30-minute candle on the Q. That's crazy strong. Crazy strong. Okay, so this is it. These are the levels that are important. SPY all-time high. The Q is 490.65, 490.70 level. Anyone on TSM? TSM is looking amazing also. Oh, there's so many good charts today. I love it. After having like a horrible 2 weeks in, like 10 days in a row, today it's perfect. At least for me. Couldn't ask for more. Yeah, we're moving. At least the Q, yes, this SPY move higher. I still wouldn't trust this. If it, like, I love how the Q is looking here. That was a perfect gap up above 488. Not a gap up, like perfect retest of 488 and then bounce. And very clean candlesticks, right? But look at SPY. SPY has a bunch of wicks at the top. I don't like that. Even though it keeps just grinding higher. I don't know. When I see that, I don't trust those moves. Apple's so beautiful. That was a perfect falling wedge on Apple. Look at this. Look what happened when you have a plan and the right levels. Look, this Apple falling wedge here. Waiting for yesterday high to hold to play the upside. That was perfect. Same thing with Microsoft. Microsoft waiting for yesterday high to hold to play the upside. Look at this Nvidia, perfect, either holding yesterday high or a pullback here to 131, and we have that pullback, right? So everything is about getting prepared and having patient enough to wait for good entries. Look at this, either waiting for yesterday high to hold or a pullback here to this little level, just what we got today. Same AMD, open right at 175 resistance. So that's the importance of having the right levels, understanding how the market moves, really knowing how to plot your levels, and then just being patient and waiting for your levels to play out. And what we do after we enter a trade? Nothing. We just let it play out. There's nothing to do. Just put alerts at important levels like big resistance or at your stop loss. And then if you're playing the upside, just take profits at a strong resistance. And that's it. You don't do anything. You just wait and let it run. Just be impatient and let it run. Other one, Intel. I talk about this hold here and buying this dip for like 3 days. And what happened yesterday? We finally had a huge move to the upside. But again, it was everything. It was about making understanding what was the level to play out on this chart, and then being patient and waited to just let it ride, let it do its thing. The purple one is the VWAP, the pink one is the 9 EMA. I don't trade based on the 9 EMA. I only have it there so I can see, kind of help me to see a trend, but not really, because I don't know. I don't even know why I have the 9 EMA there, because I don't really use it. It depends. Like, if you, I have no problem with Robinhood. The thing is, like, if you're new, I wouldn't recommend Robinhood. Just use any of the top 3. Those are fine. I use E-Trade. But yeah, use any of the top 3. If you're only swing trading, I'm fine with Robinhood. I honestly don't care if people use Robinhood. I'm fine. In fact, I like using Robinhood for the small account because it's very easy to use, because I'm not scalping options. I'm not trading fast options. I'm just swing trading. So yeah, I've used Robinhood on the small account because I don't need anything like fill me fast. But for my main account, I use E-Trade. but I am not scalping, so I don't need like anything fast to feel me fast when it comes to options. Apple moving very nicely. Very, very nice. Yeah, I'm already 27% up on Apple. Nvidia is getting very tricky here. I want to see Meta keep holding the VWAP. Apple looking beautiful. But it's gonna be tricky here. We have SPY at all-time high pretty much. Well, it can go a little bit higher, but you guys know, like, this is all-time high here. We have all-time high. Right there. SPY keeps grounding higher, like effortlessly, like super easy. The next big resistance that I see on Microsoft is 420, and then I think it's gonna move to 426, 428. AMD is weak. CrowdStrike's doing nothing. TSM is doing nothing, but I do like this hold. I like it a lot. You guys on anything? Are locking profits in case we have an ugly CPI tomorrow, PPI, or whatever data we have tomorrow. Dun, dun, dun. Morning. You're late, Greg. Morning. Ooh, I don't like that move on Meta. I want to see Meta holding the VWAP. Are we gonna get this hold here? This pullback that I was looking for earlier? Maybe? I'm hungry. Oh, Crown Strike is looking way better now. Way better. DSM is looking pretty good also. I want to see Nvidia holding it here. But again, it's gonna be tricky. Very tricky with SPY being at near all-time high. What's NDX? Oh, we have one Fed speaking right now. Maybe that's why we got that move. Nvidia is not looking too hot. It's rejecting the VWAP. Microsoft looking pretty good. AMD is very weak. Needs to hold 169. TSM is looking pretty good. I'll be back. I need more coffee. More coffee to wake me up because I'm falling asleep here. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Okay, I'm back with more coffee. Nvidia not looking too good. It's rejecting the VWAP. Maybe we have another pullback to 131 to today's low. The hurricane is, I don't know where it is right now, but I'm in Miami and it's gonna, most likely it's gonna enter around Tampa. Let's, I don't even know what time. I think it's gonna enter tonight around Tampa. But it's big, it's really big. Like, it's huge. Can I stream the hurricane? Nothing's gonna happen here in Miami. Miami, it's only gonna rain and it's gonna be windy. But up north, like the whole like coast, Gulf Coast, Florida, it's gonna be bad. Like, let me see a map. Let's see. Oh, here we have it. I hate these websites. They have so much ads. Yeah, I'm here, Miami. It's gonna enter into Fort Myers, Orlando, Tampa. It's very probability that it's gonna come to Miami. It could, but you're in Orlando. Are you prepared for that? I was watching the news last night and they were asking for everyone to evacuate if a lot of people are coming down here to Miami. Okay, Microsoft is moving. Nice move here on the Q, but still needs to break this high here. Okay, look at SPY. SPY is making a new all-time high. It's about to, yeah. That's the other one. If SPY can really hold, I want to see obviously a clear break, retest, and we play the upside. Same thing here with the Q. I want to see a clean break, retest, and we play the upside. And the next big resistance is a little bit under 494. So we have, if the Q can really break this resistance, we can have a huge move here on the Q. Oh, using Google Map? Okay. Okay, we have a new all-time high here on SPY. I was watching last CNN, and they were saying that this hurricane, it's extremely big and it can get even bigger than the biggest, like the highest category is category 5, and we could have a new 6 if this thing keeps going as it's going. That would be new. Okay, let's wait for a retest here. Again, this trade's gonna be with my funded futures accounts. I have 3 PAs there. SPY, very, very clean upside here. Thank you, Bravo. It's gonna be more for Central Florida. Central Florida is where it's getting bad. Microsoft, so beautiful. Apple, so beautiful. Let's see if we can have that move also on Meta. I think Meta has a lot of how I would say it, like, it looks very good. I think it can definitely go back to 600, even higher, and make a new all-time high. I don't think that's gonna happen. Well, maybe it happens today, but I do think that could happen this week. 420 is the next big resistance for Microsoft. 228 for Apple, and then 230. I honestly never watch the news. I don't watch like regular TV. I only watch like TV shows on Netflix or Amazon Prime or Hulu. But I don't watch news. I don't watch local TV. No, I'm not close to the beach. I'm not on the coast of Miami. I'm like 25 minutes from the beach. I don't know what's NDX. I have no idea what NDX is, Tony. Okay, nice comeback on Nvidia. Nice comeback on Meta. Beautiful Microsoft and Apple. Beautiful break here on the spine the Q. I'm just patiently waiting here for my pullbacks. Thank you, thank you. AMD coming back above 170, which is very good. TSM also looking very, very good. Anyone on TSM? Ooh, okay. Got it. Thank you. Come on, give me my pullback. Give me my little pullback. Apple rejecting 228. What bear flag? I don't see a bear flag there. I don't see any bear flag on the NQ. In the 5 minutes, I don't see a bear flag on the 5 minutes time frame. On the 5-minute chart. It's nothing but higher highs and higher lows. I don't see a bear flag there. Where is the bear flag? This is not a bear flag. The bear flag, you need to come from the high. You need to come from the high and then boom. That's a bear flag. This is not a bear flag. My thoughts? I don't know how. So how will you answer that? I don't know how to answer that. What are my thoughts? It's the only platform that I've ever used on to trade futures. I also don't see a bull flag on ES. Oh, on the 1 minute, it doesn't matter what happening on the 1 minute. Nothing under 5 minutes matters to me. 1 minute, I'm not gonna trade anything when you have a 1 minute setup, because 1 minute it's just not relevant. I don't think I will ever make any trade based on the 1 minute, because 1 minute, let's just say you have a bull flag on the 1 minute, right? That move is not gonna be big because it's on the 1 minute time frame. I play setups based on bigger time frames because that's when you can get big move. That's how I find huge move for my swing trades. Looking the bigger picture. Looking at the bigger picture. I think every single platform, the top, let's just say the top 5, the top 3, you just gotta try it out, and if it works for you, it's fine. Like, they are the top 3 because they're good, so just try it out. Some people love Ninja, other love Quant Tower, other love Sierra. I don't know, I never use any of those. I have only used Tradeovate. Yeah, that was a bull flag on the 5 minute, not a bear flag. So yes, that was a bull flag and it broke out. It broke out. Oh no, I don't see a bull flag there. Well, maybe. Well, it's just a very clean uptrend. Now we are on a ES all-time high. Here. Talking about ES bull flag or bear flag, we are right on ES all-time high. We need to break that. And because of that, I would prefer to play the Q. Hey Vibe. Doing awesome. How are you? Having a very good day today. Pretty good day. Dang it. It's not giving me a pullback here. I need a pullback. Ugh. I think I have a video of how to spot a pullback, a bull flag on the video course, on the trading course, on the free trading course. I think so. If not, I'll post it this week. Because I'm pretty sure I made a video about bull flags. How to spot a bull flag and how to spot a fake bull flag. Oh, thank you. You're so cute. Thank you. CRM. Let's see. I would not trade something that is going lower when the market is going higher. That's the first thing that I don't like here on CRM. CRM feel a gap that it had above and is rejecting after filling that gap. But no, I will not enter CRM. Even though, yeah, I definitely see the 288 level. I see it. I'm gonna put it here. But I don't like this. I don't like something, especially tech. The Q is going higher. Tech is going higher and CRM is going lower. I will wait for well, this is what I will say. Yes, I definitely see this 288 pullback as a good risk to reward opportunity. So I will say it's up to you if you want to risk it here, or if you want to wait until you need pretty much proof that CRM is really gonna hold this support here. That's what I will say. Do I love it? Not really, again, because I don't like that it's going lower while the market is going higher. But CRM sometimes do its own thing. I don't play CRM too much, but when I do, I think I played CRM like 3 times or 4 times, and every single one of those trades were huge. I think the last one was 600% up on those contracts. So, and if I remember correctly, I don't think CRM moved with the market. It's kind of like Tesla. Sometimes it could move with the market, other times not really. So yeah, 288, definitely see it. I don't love that it's going down when the market is going higher, but it's a good risk to reward play here. Yes, I would not take it, but I can see it. Why would you like to trade this? I have an alert here because I kind of want to see it pulling back. I will say here, it has a little gap here that I want to see it getting filled. But yeah, I see what you see on the 288 level. Would I play that? Not really. Could you bounce there? Yeah, definitely. Apple, baby, Apple. Apple above 228. Yeah, don't worry. Anytime. Crown strike, waking up. I want to see a break in today's high. That will be perfect. To 419, 420. It's a big resistance here for Microsoft. It's already rejecting 419. Same thing with 228 for Apple. And I would love to see Nvidia going to 136. But first, I would love to see a pullback here on the Q. Mm-mm-mm. $2,400, it looks like a strong resistance on the Q. Okay, unlocking most of my profit here on Apple because 228 looks like a very strong resistance. And yeah, I'm selling all my Apple's weeklies. Those are 30, almost 40% up. Yeah, I'm selling the weeklies. I sold the weeklies. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah, thank you, Spencer. How are you? How are you? Okay, are we gonna have a pullback here? A pullback that I'm waiting for. If you're green on Microsoft, Apple, make sure to lock some profits. Both are at resistance. Nothing wrong with locking some profits here, especially if you have the weeklies. I will say I'm not holding Microsoft, but if I did, I will be all out near 420 on the weeklies. Because most likely we're gonna get a pullback there. And that will be a beautiful trade. What's going on with Nvidia? It's having so much trouble here. I don't know why. It's right in the middle between the 131 support and 136 resistance, but what it is right now, I don't know what. Well, maybe yesterday high, but it shouldn't be such a difficult level to break. SPY like non-stop going higher. I don't love how Nvidia is looking. It's kind of looking like a bear flag, but I do like the daily. I don't like how this intraday it's kind of having so much trouble going higher here. Maybe it could be just a wedge or a bear flag, and maybe wants to retest 131 maybe. But I do like the daily, how this is what I'm seeing on the bigger picture, and this is why I like Nvidia. Is we had a very strong resistance here in the past. Nvidia broke that, rejected that resistance on Monday. Yesterday clearly broke that resistance, and today retested that resistance. So far is acting as support, so it's a basic break and retest possible play, right? But today it's doing nothing, which means we gotta be patient holding next week's contracts. But yeah, we love to see it going to 136 today. Is it gonna happen? I don't know. Also, if Nvidia goes to 136, the Q is gonna just go crazy. But I need to go lower before, so I can enter and play the upside continuation. So for one part, I want Nvidia to go lower, and for the other one, I want Nvidia to move higher. I guess I need to be patient. Okay, we have Microsoft pulling down. Come on, the Q, give me that pullback. At least 491. Give me 491. Let me see. Oh yeah, I see that. So I guess 80-30 is the level that 80-31. 80-30 I will say is the level that ES needs to break. And I will say 2400 for the Q, for NQ. Yeah, 2400. Oopsie. Okay, ugly rejection here of the 400 on NQ. Spot, the ES still can go a little bit higher, but so far is rejecting 830. Check these out. Let me check these out. Check these out so I can see better. Kind of thinking on doing a quick short scalp here. It's risky because the trend today is very bullish. Yeah. Better not to do it. Apple just keep going. Nada's doing nothing, but I like this consolidation. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. It's very risky. No. Sorry. Okay. Just bought me in just one account. Okay, I'm gonna do it. My stop loss is gonna be this high. It's gonna be a quick scalp, nothing big. If break this high, I'm getting out. Again, it's very risky because the market today is very bullish. Yeah, I gotta stop out there. That was me having no patience. That was stupid. For this short to really work out, first I need to wait for an ugly rejection candle. And again, I'm going against the trend. Yeah, the market's not giving me the pullback that I want to play this upside move. What time is it? It's 11:40. Gonna give it 20 more minutes to see if we can have a pullback here so we can play the upside. If not, I'm gonna end the stream, but I'm gonna take that trade if we get it later in the afternoon. Yeah, I like that reaction there. Damn. Look at this massive daily candle on SPY. That's insane. Oh, we have FOMC minutes at 2. Ooh. I forgot about that. Maybe with FOMC we can have a pullback that I was waiting, the 490.60 around there, 490.50 pullback that I was waiting on the queue. And this one for SPY. Why is the queue flying? I don't see Nvidia moving. Apple is barely moving. Same thing with Microsoft and Meta. What's going on with what's moving? Dun, dun, dun. Nvidia is still not looking good. And I still don't see any tech moving with like as strong as the Q. Or maybe it's Google or Amazon because I never watched those two. No, not Google. Amazon kind of. In fact, Amazon is looking pretty good. But no, it's not those two. Not SMCI. So I don't know what's making the Q move so much. Like these two candlesticks. No, it's not really Apple. I don't know. Apple is moving nice right now. Nvidia is looking weak. If Nvidia goes down to 131, that's when I think the Q can give me the pullback that I'm waiting. Nvidia breaking down. I think we have some bond auctions at 1, right? That can move the market too. It is so weird seeing Nvidia so weak, but the Q and SPY going high, making higher highs and higher lows and being so strong, when in the past we are so used to seeing pretty much Nvidia alone moving the market. Whoa. You're confused? Why? Okay, I think I'm done with the stream. So I'm green here with Apex. I'm red with my funded futures, and I'm also green with Tradeify, which the Tradeify, these two are the ones that I talked yesterday that are straight to funded accounts. So no wasting time with evals. Right now they have 45% off with Evo, no, 45 with the straight to funded accounts and 55 for the funded accounts. I'm sorry, 45 or 40 for the funded accounts and straight to funded accounts, and 55 for the evals. That's the one that I talked yesterday. That is straight to funded account. Just buying funded accounts, no wasting time with evals. It's this one. So I'm green with that one too. And I'm just gonna keep growing this account and be able to apply for payments on the 15th if everything keeps going the way it's going. So yeah, super happy with today. Happy with Apple, very happy with Intel, happy with my first trade, that it was this one, and this one on Apex, this one on the funded Tradeify accounts. This trade on my funded future was stupid, but yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna trade again in the afternoon with these accounts if I have power, because you know the hurricane can be here later today, but I think it's gonna be early tomorrow or at 12 tonight. So I'll be here tomorrow doing the stream if I have power. Most likely I'm not gonna have any problem with that, but yeah, if I'm not here, it's because I have no power. But yeah, I'll be looking to trade pullbacks here, waiting for a pullback to trade the upside continuation. If I get one, it doesn't look like the market wanna go lower anytime soon. But yeah, if I see a good entry, I'm gonna play with my funded futures, these red accounts that I have. I'm not gonna touch Apex or Tradeify. I'm gonna try to go back to green, or at least to 0. But yeah, if you guys are in Central Florida, be careful, stay safe, and don't do anything stupid. If you're green today, just enjoy the ride and just, yeah, lock some profits and be happy. If you're on Microsoft, it's getting really close to 420. Make sure to lock most of your profits there, because 420 is a big level of resistance. It needs to break 420 to keep going higher. I'm still holding my Nvidias for next week. I'm still holding Apple for next week. Still holding Meta, AMD, and CrowdStrike for next week. I'm all out, and profits are locked for the weeklies. What else? Okay, so this is what I'm looking, because with buying the queue, I don't use pre-market or after-market data, but if you guys see ES, this is on ES, this is all-time high, so maybe I'll be waiting for a pullback to previous all-time high to play the upside continuation. Same thing with NQ. Well, not all-time high, but this 400 level here on NQ, if I see a pull back here and hold, I'm also gonna look to play the upside continuation, most likely till all-time high here. Is this all-time high? Oh no, to 500, above 500. That's let me see, that's 540 till 540. So yeah, I'll wait for a pullback to this level and then play the upside till this wick here. So it will be a wick fill type of play. But yeah, that's it. Beautiful move today in the market. Finally, after so much BS, we finally have a nice huge move. Sadly, I could not have my pullback here. Otherwise, we would be riding this whole move. I think so. Everything is down. It's on my Discord, but I'll send you the link. It's here. So you have the link for my Discord down below, and just go to my Discord and in announcements, and you'll have the info here. Here's the info for my mentorship, and if you want to see testimonials, you go to Wall of Love, and you have the link here for the mentorship testimonials and all this. I need to post more here, but yeah, announcement, and you have the info there. So see you guys mañana. Thank you for being here. Remember to like the videos. Like. That'll help the channel and help me to grow and keep doing this. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye.